Hi, it's Holly again. Now I will play with my toys, animals, and this is for the activities. I have the toy and the thermometer, the food, and the milk, and this one to check the poop. And this is the tree. And this is the animals. Now I will show you guys my animal. The first one is elephant. And I don't know this one.
Leopard.
This is a leopard. And this is donkey.
What is that?
Donkey. And sorry. And this is goats. And this is panda.
Panda.
Panda. And this is a wolf.
Wolf.
Wolf. And this is hippo.
Do you like hippo?
No. And this is lion. And this is tiger. Sorry.
Which one is your favorite, Holly? Oh, okay. Good job.
Now they will do activities. First, there's a banana and the sauce. And the elephant will eat. Yum, 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 yum. And after that, the elephant will drink the milk. Ook. After that, the eel will eat the banana and the sauce. Yum, 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 yum. And will drink the milk. And the donkey will eat this. Sorry, I wanted to make it first, guys. Okay.